In this tutorial, I'll show you how to clear chart in TradingView. How can I remove all drawings and indicators from the chart? By the end, you'll know how to quickly clear your TradingView chart, removing all drawings, removing all indicators, or wiping everything at once, so you can restart your analysis on a clean chart. First, let's remove all drawings. On your TradingView chart, move your mouse over the main chart area, right-click anywhere on the background, and choose Remove Drawings. This clears every line, shape, text note, and markup from the chart in one action. You'll see the price data remain on the screen, but all the annotations are gone. This step is safe if you only want to get rid of drawings while keeping your indicators and chart layout intact. Next, remove all indicators. So look to the top toolbar and click the trash icon. This removes all indicators that are currently applied to your chart. If you prefer to remove just one indicator, hover over that indicator's label on the chart or in the pane below it, right-click the indicator and select Remove. After you click, the indicator will disappear from the chart area or sub-pane. Use this when you want to keep your drawings but clear out signals, oscillators, or overlays to reduce visual clutter. Now remove everything using the object tree. Go to the bottom right of the chart and click the Object Tree button. It looks like a small stacked list. This opens a panel showing all items on your chart, including drawings and indicators. From here, select all items in the list so everything is highlighted. Then right-click inside the selection and choose Remove. I'll confirm if prompted. This action clears both drawings and indicators together, leaving you with the bare chart. You'll notice the chart background and price candles remain, but the list in the object tree is now empty. This is the fastest way to fully reset the chart visuals without changing your symbol, time frame, or layout. At this point, your chart should be clean based on the option you used: drawings removed, indicators removed, or everything removed. If you still see anything on the chart, open the object tree again to verify there are no remaining items in the list. If the list is empty, your chart is clear. As an alternative, you can also clear the chart from the left panel. Click the left panel menu icon, then choose Remove Drawings and Indicators. This runs a one-click cleanup that removes both drawings and indicators together. Use this when you want the chart completely cleared without opening additional panels. To recap on screen, right-click the chart and use Remove Drawings if you only want to wipe annotations. Use the trash icon on the top toolbar or right-click an individual indicator and select Remove to clear indicators. Use the Object Tree button at the bottom right to select all items and remove them for a full reset. Or use the left panel menu option, Remove Drawings and Indicators, as a quick alternative. Each method is designed to be direct and safe, and none of these steps affect your symbol, time frame, or the underlying price data, only the visual elements you've added. Your TradingView chart is now cleared and ready for fresh analysis, exactly as you intended. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.